ACN Southern Immigration and Education Services, Santiago, located at 2nd floor, room 5, Agabao Building, Calawest, Santiago City.
Hello, Isabelinos! Alam ko marami sa atin na naghahanap ng consultancy firm around Region 2, especially dito sa Isabela. At ngayon, ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang isa sa pinakasikat na consultancy firm dito sa buong Pilipinas, ang ACN Southern Immigration and Education Services, Santiago Branch. By the way, I am Jen Castillo, one of the career counselors of ACN Southern Immigration and Education Services, Santiago Branch. At ngayon, itutour namin kayo sa aming office. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Shout out po sa ating mga aspiring Filipino international students na balak mag-aral sa Australia, Canada, New Zealand at Ireland, at meron din kaming permanent resident visa via General Skilled Migration Program para naman po sa ating mga Filipino skilled workers. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Book now for free one-on-one consultation or just visit us dito po sa aming office from Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.